Hello, everyone. So this time we will go through the 3 challenges in the crypto category. And in fact, most of the challenges are pretty easy as well. So again, we have some encoded files in this folder, and we need to figure out what is the plain text message. So if we look at the file, apparently this is a base 64 encoded message, and this is a pretty easy sign. So let's just decode it. And this is the flag that we need for the first challenge. For the next challenge, similarly, we got a file, but this time the information is first encrypted using AES, and then this encrypted file is encoded using base 64. So the idea is pretty simple. So starting from the encoded file, we will do the base 64 decoding first, and then we will try to decrypt it using the AES. So in the folder, there is a file called information.txt, which has the detailed information such as the passphrase that we need for the decryption. So this challenge can be actually pretty easily solved in 30 seconds. So if we look at information.txt, it shows that we used AES 256 training mode CBC. All right, and the passphrase is secret. So the first step apparently is to base 64 decode the information first. Let's dump it to a file. So this time you can see that it's a typical AES encrypted message. So with a simple Google search, we can find out the corresponding Linux command for that. Usually we can use OpenSSL. We can try to decrypt the message. And then we could say that input file is this file we just generated. When it asks for the passphrase, we'll type up secret as suggested. And then this is the flag message that we need. All right, so let's look at the next challenge. So this time, again, we have a flag which is encrypted using AES CBC, but it is protected with a very weak, pay attention, 5-digit passphrase 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so, and we need to figure out the hidden flag. So in this case, the idea is pretty simple. We can simply write for example, a Python script. You can use either the system function in the OS package, or you can use the sub process function available in the Python modules. So the basic idea is that we can easily construct an OpenSSL command which tries out each of these 5-digit passphrase one by one. All right, and then we can analyze the response of the OpenSSL command. So if it is successful, we will be able to pull out the flag. All right. So as the key space is very small, if you run the Python script, a couple of minutes would do the job. All right. So I would assume that programming Python is a freshman level job. And then I'm going to skip the details